To redeem a Burger King gift card online, start by visiting the Burger King website. Once on the website, click on the location icon and enter your location to find your nearest Burger King restaurant. Next, select the items you want to order from the menu and add them to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the checkout button and sign in to your Burger King account or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. After signing in, review your order and proceed to the payment section. In the payment section, select the gift card option as your payment method. You will be prompted to enter your gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of your gift card. Enter the gift card number and PIN carefully, and then click Apply. If your gift card balance is sufficient to cover the cost of your order, the amount will be deducted from your gift card balance. If your gift card balance is insufficient, you can pay the remaining amount using another payment method. Once you have successfully applied your gift card, review your order and payment details again, and then click the Place Order button to complete your transaction. You will receive a confirmation email with your order details and a receipt for your purchase. It is essential to note that Burger King gift cards can only be redeemed online for delivery or pick-up orders, and not for in-restaurant dining. Also, make sure to check the balance on your gift card before attempting to redeem it online, as any issues with the gift card balance may cause delays or failures in the redemption process. To check the balance on your Burger King gift card, visit the Burger King website and click on the gift card balance link at the bottom of the page. Enter your gift card number and PIN, and then click Check Balance. Your current gift card balance will be displayed on the screen. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Burger King gift card online and enjoy your favorite meals from the comfort of your own home.